Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the essentials of local SEO, an absolute must for small businesses looking to thrive in their communities in 2025. The importance of local visibility. First, let's acknowledge the critical importance of being visible in local searches. This isn't just about being found, it's about standing out. Consider these compelling statistics. 76% of local searches lead to a visit within 24 hours, and 90% of consumers turn to Google to discover local businesses. If you're not optimizing your local SEO, you're missing out on potential customers right in your neighborhood. Key trends shaping local SEO. As we move forward, we'll explore how mobile friendliness, voice search, and AI-driven personalization are shaping the way customers find your business. Understanding these trends will empower you to compete effectively against larger competitors. Let's get started. In the crowded world of online marketing, local searches are an often underestimated powerhouse. Many businesses don't realize that a significant 76% of local searches translate into in-store visits within a mere 24 hours. That's not next week or someday, that's tomorrow. Consider a traveler new to your city. They search for "best coffee near me," and instantly, Google directs them to a local cafe. This cafe wasn't necessarily the cheapest, the fanciest, or the oldest, it was simply visible. Today, 90% of consumers use Google to find local businesses. This isn't just a preference, it's an expectation. If your business isn't showing up in local search results, it's not just invisible, it's irrelevant. Here's the undeniable truth. Small businesses that strategically invest in local SEO often see a 46% increase in revenue. That's a substantial difference, representing the line between growth and stagnation. Mastering local SEO isn't about stuffing keywords or chasing algorithms. It's about strategic positioning, ensuring real-world accessibility, and building digital trust. It's about becoming the obvious answer when opportunity knocks, and opportunities knock frequently, but only for those prepared to open the door. Let's explore how you can seize this advantage. When customers search for a business like yours, your Google business profile is far more than just a listing. It's the crucial first impression, the digital handshake that establishes or erodes trust in mere seconds. The power of an optimized profile. The data is clear. Businesses with complete, optimized profiles receive 7 times more clicks than those with minimal information. This isn't a small difference, it's a monumental gap. Optimization begins with precision, where every detail counts. Your hours, categories, and descriptions, infused with the right keywords, are not mere busywork. They are the foundational architecture of your online visibility. When Google clearly understands your business, it confidently recommends you to potential customers. Bringing your profile to life. However, details alone won't make your profile stand out. High-quality photos, engaging videos, and regular updates are its heartbeat. A blurry, outdated image of your storefront from years ago won't convince anyone of your professionalism. People inherently seek authenticity and vibrancy. If your visuals appear neglected, it signals that your business might be too. The impact of reviews. The review section is a critical battleground. Every review, whether positive or negative, sends a signal. Your response isn't just about customer service, it's about real-time public reputation management. Silence, in this context, speaks volumes, and rarely in a positive way. Your profile, the core of local SEO. Ultimately, your Google business profile acts as your digital storefront, your crucial first impression, and your silent salesperson. Therefore, you must meticulously craft it, carefully curate it, and fiercely guard it. In the realm of local SEO, your Google business profile isn't merely a component of your strategy, it is the strategy. A single typo in your business address can cost you thousands. This isn't an exaggeration. Google's trust is fragile, and a mismatched phone number or an incorrect street name across different directories sends a clear message: your business might not be legitimate. Search engines crave certainty. They're like meticulous librarians. If your name, address, and phone number, NAP, aren't identical everywhere, they'll hesitate to recommend you. Even worse, they might promote your competitors instead. The non-negotiable foundation, NAP consistency. That's why mastering NAP consistency is a non-negotiable foundation for your online presence. You must audit your listings relentlessly. Don't assume they're correct just because you've updated one platform. Errors often hide in old directories, outdated citations, and forgotten partnerships. Track them down. When you discover inconsistencies, update them without delay. Think of it like fixing a leaky pipe. The longer you leave it, the more damage it quietly causes. Ongoing monitoring and strategic expansion. However, consistency isn't a one-time fix. It's a living system that requires regular monitoring and wise expansion. Build new citations only on directories that truly matter to your industry and location. Focusing on quality is smarter than pursuing sheer volume. Strong local SEO isn't about shouting louder, it's about being trustworthy, discoverable, and frictionless. And that starts with a name, an address, and a phone number that tell the same accurate story, everywhere. The businesses that truly dominate local search today aren't necessarily the biggest. Instead, they're the ones effectively sharing relevant, timely, and personal stories that resonate deeply within their communities. Consider this scenario. Someone searches for emergency plumber near me. They're not just browse, they're in urgent need of a solution. If your website features a clear blog post titled Fast Emergency Plumbing in Austin, 24/7 Services, you don't just appear in the search results, you become the immediate, trusted answer. Weave yourself into the community. While local keyword content is essential, true dominance emerges when you integrate your business into the community's fabric. This means covering local events, celebrating local achievements, and supporting causes that matter to your neighbors. By doing so, you transform your business into a brand that people are genuinely proud to support. Personalized landing pages and authentic testimonials are key. Don't stop there. Every service area deserves its own personalized and detailed landing page, complete with authentic testimonials. Avoid generic boilerplate or lazy copy-pasting. Each page should feel unique and truly understand the pulse of that specific neighborhood. Finally, let your customers be your advocates. Authentic customer stories are invaluable. They build trust far more quickly than any advertising campaign ever could. Ultimately, strong local content does more than just feed algorithms. It builds relationships, and in the long game of SEO, relationships are always the winning strategy. In competitive local markets, simply participating isn't enough. You need to strategically position yourself for success. This is where advanced tactics become crucial, distinguishing serious contenders from those merely playing the game. Optimizing for local search dominance. Schema markup, your direct line to Google. Consider schema markup as whispering directly into Google's ear. It allows you to explicitly tell search engines what your business is, your location, and the services you offer. Without it, search engines are left to guess, which can hinder your visibility. Implementing local business and service schemas ensures your business is clearly understood, easily findable, and favorably presented in search results. Voice search, capturing the conversational customer. Voice search is no longer a futuristic concept, it's an integral part of daily life. Each, "Hey Siri, where's the nearest Thai restaurant?" represents a prime opportunity. Voice searches are inherently more conversational and often carry a sense of urgency. If your online content isn't structured to answer common questions phrased in natural language, you risk missing out on a significant and growing wave of potential customers. Tracking and analytics, your essential navigation tools. Running a marketing campaign without robust tracking is akin to driving cross-country blindfolded. Yet, many businesses neglect to monitor critical metrics like website traffic, conversions, and search rankings. Tools such as Google Analytics and Bright Local aren't optional extras. They are your essential dashboard, compass, and early warning system, providing the insights needed to navigate and optimize your local search efforts. By mastering these technical layers, you won't just appear in local search results, you'll dominate them, quietly, relentlessly, and professionally. Let's refine your local SEO action plan for improved clarity and impact. Local SEO action plan, boosting your online presence. 1. Audit your current presence. First, we'll conduct a thorough audit of your existing online footprint. This involves reviewing your Google business profile, checking your citations across various directories, and assessing your website for completeness and accuracy. Ensuring all your information is up to date is crucial for local consumers to find you easily. 2. Refresh your visual content. Next, it's time to invigorate your visual content. Regularly updating your photos, videos, and posts monthly is ideal. Not only signals that your business is active but also effectively captures the attention of potential customers in your area. Remember, compelling visuals can speak volumes. 3. Create localized content. A crucial step is to develop local content. This means crafting articles and web pages that specifically target local keywords and interests. This strategy not only helps improve your search engine rankings but also fosters a stronger connection with your community. Consider topics that genuinely resonate with your local audience. 4. Implement review management. Finally, don't overlook review management. Establish a clear system for actively gathering and thoughtfully responding to customer feedback. Engaging with your customers in this way demonstrates that you value their input, which is vital for building trust and credibility. Remember, local SEO is an ongoing journey. Consistency and community engagement are key to driving long-term success. Let's start with these steps to see immediate improvements.